Hi everyone, here we've got Listo SP50 and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account from this device, so actually how to manage it. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find users and accounts. As you can see, under it we've got also Google section, and you can add or remove a Google account using obviously it, but I personally prefer to do it using users and accounts, so let me tap on it. Let's tap on add account, choose obviously Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone, so let me do it. Okay, I've got it saved, so just tap on next. Right now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so if you want to read it, just tap on it and you will be able to check all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept, and as you can see we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Obviously you can remove it whenever you want to, just tap on it and tap on remove account here. Tap on remove account, and as you can see it immediately disappears. So actually this is it. This is how to add or remove a Google account from your Listo SP50. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.